Welcome to English Quizlet. Many learners get confused about when to say for and when to say since. Don't worry, by the end of this quiz, you'll feel much more confident. Make sure to subscribe to more awesome quizzes like this. Use since with a starting point in time. 2015 is a point in time. Use for with a duration. 3 years shows a period of time. Use since when talking about the beginning of a time. Childhood is the starting point. Use for to talk about how long something lasts. 5 months is a duration. Use for with years or months to show the length of time. Use for with minutes or hours to show duration. Half an hour is a duration. Use since with a specific day or date. Last Monday is a starting point. Use for with weeks to show how long. 2 weeks is a period of time. Use since with a year to mark the beginning. Use for with hours to show duration. 2 hours is a length of time. Use since with a starting time. Her childhood is the start point. Used for when talking about a period. 10 years is a duration. Use since with last weekend because it is a point in time. Use since with clock times. Midnight is a starting point. Use for with hours or minutes to show duration. An hour is a duration. Use since with a year. 2010 is the starting point. Use since with the morning because it is the start of the time. Use for with years to show how long. 5 years is duration. Use since with days of the week. Friday is a point in time. Use for with words like a long time to show duration. Use since with clock times. 10 a.m. is the starting point. Use since with periods like school days. It shows the start point. Use for with hours to show duration. 3 hours is a period of time. Use since with last year. It marks the starting point. Use for with weeks. 2 weeks shows how long. Use since with the morning. It shows the starting point. Use for with years to talk about duration. 6 years is a length of time. Use for with hours. 2 hours is a period of time. Use since with a year. 2008 is the starting point. Use for with months. A few months shows duration. How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.